GM BetPrecise here, and I'll show you my favorite way to use NovaBot to make profit. I think it's literally like cheating because it's extremely fast. When you have your Nova open, access link in the bio or in the pinned comment, you do settings. If you want to buy coins like super fast, literally super fast, then you want to do auto buy and you want this enabled. And then when you're gonna paste a contract of a coin in the chat, it's gonna instantly buy it, like boom. But first you gotta add some rules. So minimum market cap, I'll write 5k. Max market cap, I'm gonna do 10 mil, so it just always goes through for all our coins. And the buy amount value, I'm gonna do 0.25 for the sake of the video. What I like to do is add a TP, and we do a new take profit level at 100%, so when the coin does a 2x, we want to take 50% of the position. So this is added. Go back, we got our bet size, position size 0.25 Sol, and we're gonna enable the auto buy. Now we just gotta wait till we see a banger that we want to buy or sound. Let's check this out. Okay. I don't know what is this, but I think it sends. We just paste, boom, and it's literally bought, ready to sell, like that. Did you see how fast this was? This literally took half a second. Like you could even click like these quick buys on Photon or something, but even pasting this is faster. Like the speed of this bot is amazing. Okay, Croissant is migrating, and let's see if we're gonna be able to get some decent profit off this. I just bought it for the sake of the video to show you the speed of the bot, but we may as well cook, right? Let's go over and watch the chart here. But look, you even got this option on Nova, auto sell when bonded. So right after bonding, you can just cheat it before everyone else. This doesn't look bad, like the name is cool. So I think I might not sell it bonding. And we can set a limit order. Okay, new sell order and sell percentage, 100%, trigger, market cap. And we're gonna do 120k. So just a quick scalp, 100% on 120k market cap. If it sends straight after bonding, which maybe it does, and we'll see how fast this activates. Now the PNL is not working because it's bonding, but we would be like slightly up. Ooh, getting cheated right off the bat. It's okay. It has some volume, has some buys. But Solana cheats are not giving up. Okay, come on. Send Croissant to our TP. I just want to show you how nicely Nova works. Nice, 100k. Okay, we're like 12k away. Boom, TP. You see this? It barely even touched the price. And boom. Sold. And we're up 16 bucks. I mean, from the 56 invested, that's not bad. Let's say you invested 560, you get 160 profit, so yeah. This might send now while I'm not in, but whatever. I just wanted to show you the speed of this. You see how the orders go through within like, it's not even seconds, it's milliseconds. So yeah, I got another video on setting up Nova, if you don't know how to set it up, so you can check that on my channel. And again, access link in my bio and in the pinned comment. Also join my Telegram, follow the Twitter. I'm trying to call good stuff on my Telegram, good coins. And I think I got a pretty decent win rate. And yeah, Bet with Size is out. Have a great day.